Get off the ground. Okay, so this is safe, which is working well. Let go of it. Little drift, but nothing too bad. Well, flies around inverted just fine. Let's bring it back over here, and the one thing I've noticed is the cyclic is super slow. Very mushy cyclic. But it's not bad. See if we can get it to get stable enough. Oh, it's definitely windy right now, so that's going to affect this little guy since it's so light. But usually you can pirouette this thing inverted and it just stays in one spot. You don't even have to do anything. You don't even have to be good. It'll just sit there. Flies normal, very well. Yeah, cyclic is super mushy. Oversped it just then. It's not bad. Whoa, the pitch is super sensitive. 2 of the servos are 30-55s, one's a 30-55. I heard that they don't work well together, but they work just fine for me. But that's how it was when I bought it, so. Like I said, this thing was not treated very well. The tail holds all right. Not the best, and the pirouette rate is pretty slow, even at 100%. It's just, there's nothing you can do about that. I mean, I'll just cut that butterfly in half. Butterflies, all kind of bugs love these things. They come right over to it. Yeah, I actually lost the tail a little bit doing the TikTok because the whole helicopter, yeah, tail just goes to the right. So you got to be ready for that. If not, then that could throw you off. But I actually like it. I mean, for it to be an older heli, it's not bad at all. It's very stable, even in this wind, which there's not much, but it's enough to affect it. Oh. Put it back in normal mode, you got your safe. You can see that's full, just cyclic, you know, tossing it around. It's stunt one. It's very slow and mushy, which throws me off because all my other helis are a lot quicker. I like it though. I mean, I paid under 20 bucks for it. I did put, I don't know, like 80 bucks in it. It really didn't need a frame. It didn't need a main gear, but I just wanted to do that anyway. And you know, I put Allen hardware on it, took all that Hex hardware out, and I put Allen, all of the hardware is Allen, and yeah, but it's a V1 flight controller and ESC. It's a V1, you know, so it flies like a V1. The ESC and the flight controller were the two biggest updates between this one and the V2. So this one's a little handicapped in performance just because it does have those original electronics, but there's no reason in updating it because, I mean, you want to keep it classy. You want to keep it the way it came. I didn't mind doing the frame and the gear, but the electronics are going to stay. If I really wanted a 230 V2, I'd buy one, but direct drive's not really my thing, but this does have a great place and really good for beginners. I mean, anybody could really fly it. It's a really good next step if you're flying something real small. Even the old one, if you can get one of these used, a 230, they still make all the parts, so for now at least. All right, guys, if you have any questions or comments about maybe your 230 V1, are you still flying a V1? Let me know. Thanks for watching.